Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, let's unbox the NIIMBOT B21 Pro label printer. So let's check it out. We will share the product link in the description. You can check it out if you are interested. This is a portable label printer from NIIMBOT. They also have a wide range of such pocket label printers, and this is their B21 Pro model. So let's see what is inside the box. This is our first impressions video. We will share our full thoughts after a few weeks. Please do subscribe to get notified about that. Let's open this now. We got the red color model. They also have several other colors like black, pine green, purple, white, etc. I loved the red and pine green color more, but I decided to go with the red one. This is the printer, red color one. And inside the box we get this USB-A to USB-C cable and this product manual and this card. That's all. So these are the items we have inside the box. So I'll quickly explain the key features they have mentioned in the box. Edit in app. They have an exclusive app for printing the labels. RFID, smart identification, 300 dpi high resolution print and inkless printing. So these are the key points. I love the premium look of this. This looks solid, and along with the USB cable, that product manual, we also get this label roll. We will have that inside the printer. So these are the things we will have. On this side we have the USB-C port for charging. We have that here, and this is the power button. This is the LED indicator, and we just have to press this down to see the label. We can add additional labels here, and we just have to press this to close this. That's all. I am completely new to this, so on our next video we will see how to connect this NIIMBOT B21 Pro with our smartphone. Using that we can start to print the labels. We will share all the related links in the description. You can check it out later. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.